Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix microphone not working on iPhone, iPad, WhatsApp and Instagram microphone not working. Guys, if you facing this issue, then keep watching this video till the end. In this video, I will tell you 5 easy ways to solve your problem in few minutes. Solution 1. Firstly, open your settings app. In setting page, click on privacy and security. Click on microphone. Toggle on apps you want to turn on microphone. Solution 2. Open your settings app. Tap on app you want to turn on microphone. Toggle on microphone. Solution 3. Click on settings app. In setting page, click on Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Solution 4. Click on settings app. In setting page, click on screen time. In screen time page, click on content and privacy restrictions. Toggle on content and privacy restrictions. Scroll down, find microphone and click on it. Tap on allow changes. Toggle on app you want to need microphone. Solution 5. If you are experiencing a lot of noise while recording voice message, you maybe want to go to setting to troubleshoot this issue. Click on settings app. In setting page, click on accessibility. Click on audio and visual. Then toggle on phone noise cancellation. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.